create project and their task. Let's assume we have a customer called Cook LLC. They want to renovate their three-floor commercial building. So for that, we need to maintain a project information and each workflow in the project, material, manpower, equipment that required for the project, and project estimation cost, and all of the stuff, right? So we need to create a project in our Odoo system. To create a project, I'm going to log in as a company staff. Okay, go to construction management menu. Under the projects, you can create projects. Click create button. Enter the project name and the date. Start from it's going to take is 2 months project. Apply. Okay. Go to settings. Here, customer. Select the customer and analytic account. Add. Okay. And go to construction site details. Here you need to enter the site details. Mount Faber, Singapore. Then project estimation cost is $6,000. And good. All the things is fine, right? Then save the project. So once you save the project, then the financial manager need to confirm the project. Then only we can create a task for the project. Okay. Once the financial manager approved, then the state will be changed to confirmed. Okay. Once the project is confirmed, then we can segregate the project into task. Now we can create a task. Go to task and create it. Okay. So the project first task is first floor renovation. Enter the task name, first floor renovation, and the budget is $2,000. Okay. Enter the description if you required. Okay. So go to equipment and tools. Enter the equipment and tools that required for this project. That means this required for this particular task. Okay. So before going to enter the equipments, so the financial manager need to approve the task. Then only we can, the staff can able to enter the equipments. Okay. So now the task will be in the draft state. So waiting for the manager approval. That means financial manager approval. Okay. This once the financial manager approval, the task state will be changed to in progress. Okay. Now the staff here can able to enter the equipments. So the equipment name is the required quantity is 2 is 100. The hammer is count is 3. Required quantity 10. So the spend amount will get added. Sorry, so the overall spend amount will get added here. Okay, now save it. And even we can segregate the task into subtask. Okay, to create a subtask, create the subtask name and select the parent task. Okay, add description we want and save it. And this subtask should be need to verify with financial manager. Okay, it's waiting for the financial manager approval. Once the financial manager approved, then the status changed to in progress. Okay, here it's changed to in progress. Then they can add the materials and the manpower that required for the project. Okay, so product is manpower. I'm going to add the manpowers. Okay, 1 and 100. Number 2, 1 and 100. Okay, add materials, cement, 50, cost is 1. That's all. Then we can save. So we can create a project and their task.